Fuma was a lady. So when Nana cried the ball was in a trance channeling because she was a priestess. And those times, her date, one of our deities, when they enter her, they possess her. You know, she sits on board, and drums will be beating, following her, and she'll be, you know, dancing and chanting and all those things. So the act of Nana being carried on the board, and the drum beating, Nana has been carried on the board. Apane Dikai, and nature, it became Apakai. That's when Palanquin came.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Yes. So when Nana cried the ball to, one thing is, when she was in a trance, somebody had to interpret what she was saying.
Okay.
So that person became the Promethean, which later was corrupted to Ochiameh.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
So in Denkyira, when you want to speak to Ochiameh, you don't speak to him because you don't see Ochiameh standing on the right side. The Ochiameh is always on the left side of the king.
Okay.
Because you have to talk to the Ochiameh. The Ochiameh is holding the Prometheus, so he having every power, so he will stop every power before I come and meet the king.
Okay.
But when you go to other Akan states, because they copied it wrongly from us, they place Ochiameh here.
On the right.
But when you are greeting in Akan, you don't greet from the right, you greet from the left.
From the left.
So it means that you even greet the king first before you go to Ochiameh. At that time,